Good morning YouTube, welcome to yet another review. This week I'm doing a review of the Garden Gears motorcycle tank pouch. This was my first motorcycle luggage gear. As I started going on weekend rides and breakfast rides, I thought of purchasing for myself a motorcycle tank bag. And since I was not doing long trips, just Lonavala and around Lonavala or Kasara, so I thought that a small bag would be sufficient. But I used to carry a lot of stuff, so this was not sufficient for my needs, and therefore I bought another bigger tank bag, because when I used to go on my weekend rides and used to take this, I had to carry another backpack with me so that I can get all my stuff together. So that's why I'm gonna do a review of it, whether you should buy this or not, if it's perfect for you or not. So please watch the video till the end. Today I'm doing a review of Garden Gears tank pouch. This was my first motorcycle luggage gear. As I had begun going on my weekend rides and breakfast rides, I thought of getting myself a tank bag, and I was looking for some options, and I found this, and I thought that this would be sufficient for my needs, so I got this. But seeing the size, you can see it's quite small, and it looks quite bigger in the photos. I bought this on Amazon, and it looks bigger in photos because of this outer layer. When you open it, this is quite small, as you can see. Garden Gears are quite a popular brand, and they are used by many riders and motorcyclists, and they are known for their quality, and this is no exception. This is very good quality. The zips are of YKK. There are two compartments on this, and there's Velcro over here. This first compartment is mainly for GPS. You can put your phone here. There's also a option of putting your earphones inside here. Let's check the second compartment, and there's not much space to store many things. I can see I just carried my GoPro, my sunglasses, and just a tripod stand. So you can see there's not much space. Just zoom in and show it to you. Not much storage space. It's very, very small. You can use it for your city rides. This is water resistant, and the back is made of fox leather, so this doesn't lead to scratches on your tank. I have my tank pad here, so there's extra protection, and this also kinds of helps to keep your bag in place when you attach it. So I'll show you how to attach it now. It has there's 3 straps, one here and 2 at the bottom. This is your main strap that you attach to a handlebar. So you adjust here according to your preference. Mostly this is an option to keep the fuel cap open. It's open. You have to fuel. Whenever you have to refuel, you don't need to take it off. This goes in here. Then you can tie an extra knot. And you can tie a knot here. And these 2 straps, second, and this is the rain cover, by the way. I'll show you how to attach it once I attach the bag. Now these you can attach it either under your storage, under your bike seat, or you can also attach it over here like this. Just tie a knot and it should be good, like that. Or you can attach it either under your seat. These are my straps for my other motorcycle tank bag. So this is how you attach it, and let me just put this inside. There you go. Not attach it very tightly, but you can do that. And this is the rain cover. So I'll attach this rain pouch and show it to you. How the rain cover. Here we go. There, the rain cover. I'll also show you the touchscreen touch sensitivity. You can see it's too much bright, so you don't need to take off your phone whenever you want to check anything, your location, your maps, or any calls. Whenever I go on my weekend rides, I carry a lot of stuff. I have two cameras, I carry my gloves, my some food items. I carry cat food for the strays, water bottles. So all those things couldn't fit in this, so I used to carry another backpack with me. And while riding for longer hours, you don't want any stress on your back. So this is why I had to purchase another bag, another tank bag. What I'm trying to say is that this will not be sufficient for you unless you are carrying another backpack with you for your weekend rides. So this tank pouch will be perfect just for your city rides. If you're riding around the city and you don't have much stuff to carry, then this would be perfect. But for your weekend rides, for your Saturday rides, your breakfast rides, you will need something bigger than this. So that's it, guys. This is my review, my opinion on the Garden Gears motorcycle tank pouch. Whom would I recommend this back to? Recommend this back to someone who only rides around the city, who goes on their weekend outings around the city. This is perfect to store your wallet, gloves, mobile phone, extra keys, your motorcycle documents. This will be perfect. But if you're into riding long distance and touring, you will need to buy something bigger than this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Comment down below your thoughts about the Guardian Gears motorcycle tank pouch, and if you have been using it, you can also share your thoughts about it in the comments. I will also be sharing a review of the Guardian Gears mini shark tank bag, so hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post the video. As always, ride safe, ride responsibly, and don't forget your helmets. Goodbye.